everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Khushi and you are watching Khushinath Only Makeup. In today's video, I have to show you all things black. Black is beautiful and you should definitely have more of black in your wardrobe because it is versatile, because it is absolutely party favorite. It never goes wrong. It goes on all skin colors and black is evergreen according to me. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. All of them are from Amazon at amazing discounts going on currently this month, and you cannot miss. If you love black, watch this video. Even if you do not like black, watch this video because I'm going to give you more options from the same outfits and fashion accessories but other than black, because so many of these are also available in other colors. And let's get started with the video. First thing which I want to show you is this beautiful black top which I'm currently wearing. I had also made a reel on this and you guys loved it, and this is a beautiful party piece. You just wear this with a black trouser or your regular denim pants and you are going to be the talk of the town because of the current trend. Sequence work all over. This has like a butterfly sleeves going on. It has a v-neck. It is slightly deep. If you don't like it this deep, you can also wear the camisole attachments which I had shown in the previous video, and I'm definitely going to link it with this video description as well. It's half buttoned till this much and after that it's a slit. So it's a beautiful party piece. I highly recommend, if you get it in your size, just go grab this piece because it's going to be a timeless piece for years to come in your wardrobe. This is not going anywhere. This is not going out of fashion. This is very much in trend and will be in trend because bling is always in trend. Moving on to the next product. Talking about bling, I have another blingy piece out here which is also a great party wear piece. Is a fake turtleneck. It is not completely turtleneck but it looks like turtleneck, and it has full sleeves, very soft material, and it is like very stretchable. This is the next piece. This is a lacy black top with full sleeves. The beauty of this top that it is like a sweetheart neck from the front and it looks so sexy, so hot. I love the way it is. It can also be a very good party number. So by now I have shown you all party numbers. Even if you don't go to parties, you can still wear them and look extra chic because these are timeless pieces. These are going to be in your wardrobe forever and still going to be in trend. Moving on to the next one. I was forever looking for a nice tank top which is black and it can go with any of my colorful trousers. But I had bought a few, I had returned a few. Recently I found this piece on Amazon to be the best quality ever. I tried a few tank tops before this, but the quality of this one is top notch. I am not even kidding you, it is top notch. It is so soft, it is so stretchable. So this top does not come in many sizes. This is just one size and it fits like a glove. It's also available in different colors. In case you're not interested in black, you can try those other colors as well. Moving on to the next favorite piece of mine in this video. I love it. It's so versatile. It's so like carry it in every outfit kind of a piece. I love it. I'm talking about this box clutch here. You can see the beautiful pyramid patterns which from a distance it feels like these are stones and not plastic. You cannot believe that this is plastic. It looks like it's made out of black shining marble stone. It's such a good quality. It has this beautiful text belt which is adjustable. Also has a small loop to hang just if you want to carry it as a clutch and not as a sling bag. So it is a convertible bag which can also be carried as a sling and also as a box clutch. If you are a fan of versatile products which you can carry and multiple use it, go get this bag and you're not going to repent because this one is a fabulous piece from my wardrobe. I can't recommend this enough, guys. Moving on to the next part of the video, which are dresses. So I have saved the last part of the video for the best. The first piece which I'm going to show you is this beautiful wrap dress. It is like front wrapped, and the interesting part is the bottom. It has these beautiful mesh detailing going on with polka dots. It is a piece which can never go wrong. It is such a fabulous head turning piece. I love it for the way it looks. I love the fit, I love the color black, and it is such a party number. Yet again, even if you don't go to parties, you can still wear it. It's such a pretty piece. I pair it up with one more showstopper item of this video. I'm going to show you next. So I pair it up with these rhinestone stockings. This is so interesting. This one is a complete showstopper. It is rhinestone stockings, and in the color black, it just makes everything so perfect, so apt. So this one is the waist area, this one is the high thigh area, and this one is the entire leg area. It is like a socks from beneath. It's like covered, it's completely covered, it's not open, and these are the rhinestones. All over there are rhinestones. It is simply beautiful. I love the way they have thought of this idea and even made it into reality. I completely love the way it is, and this looks so perfect with your mini skirts. You just wear your fleece leggings if you're wearing this in winter. If you're wearing this in summer, just wear it as it is and style your micro mini skirts, your mini dresses. It's gonna look so fab with this rhinestone stockings out here. One of the revolutionary products. I love it. Moving on to the next piece. Since sequins is so much into fashion, I've got this beautiful sequins dress. This has a front sequin work. It is simply fantastic for the price, and it is such a party piece. It is not over the top at all because the rest of it is completely matte black, and the sleeves are slightly balloonish. I love the way the sleeves also detailed, and it looks completely unique and lovely to wear. I totally love this dress, and this can also very well go with the rhinestone stockings out here. I had saved it for the last. Here it is, the beautiful off-shoulder black number, which is a maxi dress. As you can see, it's completely long, so for all the shy little beauties out there who not like to wear mini dresses, can definitely try out this one. This has a beautiful mesh frill in the front and at the back, so this is such a beautiful party piece. Imagine wearing it like this, and it's going to look so good. I love it with a belt, and I totally love this kind of party number, which is like a head turner instantly, isn't it? So these are shoes number 1, which are super duper comfortable heels. These are like lock chunky heels. So these are absolutely black, and they are strappy, so they are very comfortable. They don't look comfortable, but they are very comfortable, let me tell you, because this has a block part in the front. If you are someone who wear heels on a regular basis, you are going to love it. And if you never wear heels, do not get this one, because this is not going to be a very easy task for you to handle, because these are quite high heels, and I love the way they look with the dresses. It's so awesome, and it completes my head to toe black look. The last piece which I'm going to show you is again this black boots, which I've shown in my last video as well. I love these black boots. They are so versatile. They go on with all my black dresses, with anything basically winter wear, with denims and all also. It goes so well. And if you are someone who likes to invest less and use it more, go give these things from this video a try, because all of them are black and all of them are classic pieces. Even if these go out of trend right now, tomorrow they are going to come back in trend, because black never goes out of fashion, bling never goes out of fashion. And with that, I finished this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Do support me by subscribing to the channel and sharing this video with your friends on wherever you want to, your Facebook or your WhatsApp. I will see you in the next one. Bye.